In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a hatch pattern in AutoCAD quickly and easily. Hatch patterns are useful for representing different materials and adding clarity to your drawings. To get started, click on the hatch you want to modify. As soon as you select it, the Hatch Editor tab will appear on the ribbon with all the tools needed to edit your hatch. In the Pattern panel, click the Pattern drop-down menu to view the available hatch styles. AutoCAD offers a wide variety of patterns, from simple lines to detailed material symbols. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your drawing. Once selected, the new pattern is applied instantly, allowing you to preview the result right away. You can continue experimenting with different patterns until you find the perfect match. This simple technique helps improve the appearance and readability of your designs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more AutoCAD tutorials for additional drafting tips and tricks.